crystal trifecta. This is going to back you up every single time when you're doing your crystals, so they will not only stay on the clients long lasting 4 weeks, also it give your clients so confident they're wearing it without have to worry about falling off, and then give you such a really confident that you don't have to worry about it's gonna coming off like in 2 days, and then the clients will call you like, Nancy, my crystal is coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the precision glue gels.
Condensed.
Oh, condensed glue gel. So keep talking like precision glue gel. Thank you, babe. And we're gonna go ahead. That's cool though. You're really listening. It's like, and applies on inside the nail. So now, if you know exactly where you are going to apply your crystal, you can like, okay, I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna do it right here. You can definitely spot it if you want to, but I always doing it whole entire nails because a lot of my clients end up getting more than what they're planning. They're like, oh, can you add some more on it? You know, it's really more. It makes them like happier, and also it's make you an opportunity, a chance to make additional income. All right, 1 layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So I am floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. Again, if you are doing is matte finish, apply the matte instead of shiny, okay? Floating on the top, it means that you're not pulling off all of your condensed glue gel. So this is going to hold all of your crystal base. I'm gonna try to see some of the white colors here. You can use baby, but I'm gonna use some white colors here. It's really cool. It looks like a theme of the Christmas, but I can use this for the winter theme. So I'm gonna pick up some of the colors for my sub box this month. Pick up, look at that. I'm gonna bling this one out. Instead of just had a tiny little stars, I'm gonna give it a bigger star. And then you can add some of your baby, and then glow in the dark is really cool. And you can add, however, if you want this to be different colors, you can do like this. Is be cool for pink right there too. You know, however you want. And then continue, you get some more. If you're done, then you just key it under the LED lights for 60 seconds. I'm gonna key it right now. Cute. One more for this tiny little, look like a star. One more. Maybe I have too many crystal. This one doesn't listen. Right there, one more. All right, so happy with this? We're going to key this for 60 seconds. Super cute.